Good day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Monday, August 14th, 2023. It is 4:25 and 27 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, breast cancer. So let's hop to it here. New approach for treatment, resistant breast cancers, date August 9th, 2023. Source, Louisiana State University. A collaborative study provides compelling evidence that combining an investigational oral drug with standard of care medications reverts hormone resistance and increases Rx effectiveness in experimental models of estrogen receptor positive and triple negative breast cancers, respectively. The CB103 is a small molecule, notch inhibitor, invented by researchers. Notch receptors relay information from the cell surface to the genes, and notch signaling plays an important role in many different cancers, including breast cancers, where its role was originally demonstrated by the laboratory. And based on their prior research, the research team believed this compound should be safe and effective in hormone-resistant, estrogen receptor-positive breast cancers. Over the past 2 decades, various drugs targeting the notch signaling axis have been investigated by the scientific investigators and microbiologists. As CB103 is a next-generation, orally active, clinical-stage drug that, unlike older drugs, directly targets gene regulation by notch and offers a much improved toxicity profile. The safety and efficacy of CB103 in notch-dependent advanced metastatic solid or hematological malignancies have been investigated in a multi-center international phase 1-2 clinical trial. And despite recent advances in the treatment of estrogen receptor-positive breast cancers, endocrine resistance ultimately develops. Available second-line therapies are moderately effective but can have significant toxicities, and third-line therapies are generally largely ineffective. As triple-negative breast cancer is an aggressive breast cancer subtype that accounts for 15 to 25% of all breast cancer diagnoses in Western countries. As patients with early triple-negative breast cancer have a 2 to 3-fold higher risk of disease, recurrence, and death in the first 3 years after diagnosis. Triple-negative breast cancer disproportionately affects young, premenopausal women and African American women. The translational data will be serving as a foundation for planned clinical trials where they will combine CB103 with anti-estrogen therapy in estrogen receptor positive breast cancers and with taxanes like Taxol or docetaxel in triple-negative breast cancer. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, Pathophysiology, and Nature of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.